subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about some important NEET questions from the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So these are the numerical based questions from sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay, see first question. What would be the number of chromosomes in the cells of the alluron layer in a plant species with 8 chromosomes in its synergid cells? In the last class, the plody of different parts of the angiospermic had complete. What are the main parts of the angiospermic plant body? One is a sporophyte, second one is the gametophyte. The sporophyte is diploid. All the related sporophyte parts are diploid. All the related gametophyte parts are the haploid. Okay, what are the parts of the sporophyte? What are the parts of the gametophyte? So already in previous class completed. Except these two, in angiospermic plant, the triploid parts also there. That is endosperm. Okay, another one is the alluron layer. It is the protein layer that separated the endosperm and cotyledon in monocotyledon seed. The endosperm and alluron layer, the both are triploidy in angiospermic plant. Except these two, the sporophyte is the diploid and gametophyte is the haploid. Okay, now the synergid cell, it is related the gametophyte part. Answer. Synergid cell, haploid. The haploid cell contains total how many chromosomes? That is 8 chromosomes. Alluron layer, it is a triploidy in angiospermic plant. It is a protein layer, 3N. Okay, 3 into 8. N haploid number 8 chromosomes, the 3 into 8. Total 24 chromosomes are present in alluron layer. So that is a correct answer. 24 chromosomes are present in alluron layer. 8 chromosomes are present in synergid cells. Next one, the number of chromosomes in an angiospermic plant is 14. The number of chromosomes in synergid cells will be. See here, what is the angiospermic plant? The main plant body in angiosperm is a sporophyte. The sporophyte is ploid, is a diploid. See here. Answer. Angiospermic plants. The angiospermic plant is a diploid, 2N. It is a sporophyte. Main plant body is a sporophyte. So the plants is 14 chromosomes. 2N is equal to 14 chromosomes. Next one, the number of chromosomes in synergid cells will be. The synergid cells are haploid. Okay, that's why here 14 by 2, that is haploid. 7. The synergid cells haploid 7 chromosomes and diploid is 14 chromosomes. That's why here the correct answer 7. Next one. Third question. A gymnospermic leaf carries 16 chromosomes the number of chromosomes in its endosperm will be. It is very important. Not angiospermic plant. Here mentioned gymnospermic leaf. Even the gymnosperm, the sporophyte is diploid, but endosperm is the haploid. It is very important. Endosperm here haploid. Why? In gymnosperm, the endosperm will be developed the before fertilization. It is also represented the female gametophyte. In gymnosperms, the endosperm is represented the female gametophyte. So generally the female gametophyte is haploid. Okay. What about in angiospermic plants? In angiospermic plant, the endosperm is a triple fusion product. The fusion of male gamete under two polar nuclei, that is a secondary nucleus. Secondary nucleus. Total 3 nuclei fusion takes place in triple fusion. That's why it is a triple fusion product in angiospermic plant. So what is main difference between here the endosperm in gymnosperm and as well as the angiosperm? In gymnosperm it is a haploid. What about in angiosperm? It is a triploid. It is the first fertilization product in angiosperm. What about in gymnosperm? It is a before fertilization, that is pre-fertilization product. Okay. So that's why here the gymnospermic leaf carries total how many chromosomes? Leaf is a vegetative parts, the part of the sporophyte, that is a leaf, root and stem. These are the parts of the sporophyte. The leaf 2n, total 16 chromosomes. What about endosperm? Endosperm haploid in gymnosperms. That's why here 16 by 2 haploidic, that is 8. 8 chromosomes are present in the structure of the endosperm in the same plant. Okay, right. Next one, the root cell of the wheat plant has 42 chromosomes. What would be the number of chromosomes in the egg cell? Root cell, root, leaf, stem, these are the main parts of the sporophyte. Sporophyte is the diploid. See her answer. The root cell 2n. The root cell is a 2n, total number of chromosome 42. What would be the number of chromosomes in the egg cell? Egg cell. Egg cell is a haploid. That's why 42 by 2, 21. Haploid. 21 chromosomes are present in their egg cell. Next one. An angiospermic plant is having 24 chromosomes in the leaf cells. The number of chromosomes are present in antipodals, pollen grain, nucellus and endosperm will be respectively. See here, angiospermic plant. In its leaf cell, leaf cell 2n diploid. Okay, total how many chromosomes? 24 chromosomes. 24 chromosomes, right? The number of chromosomes are present in antipodals. Antipodals is a part of the embryo sac. Embryo sac is haploid. Antipodals is also haploid. In the structure of the embryo sac, except the secondary nucleus, remaining all haploid. antipodals, egg cell and synergid cells and polar nuclei. These are the haploid. Okay, so pollen grain, macrospore, haploid. Nucellus, diploid. Endosperm in angiospermic plant, triploid. What about in gymnospermic plant? Haploid. Okay, it is a free fertilization product in gymnosperm. Here forced fertilization product in angiosperm. Now, first one, antipodals. Haploid. Pollen grains. Haploid. Okay, pollen grains, haploid. Next one, nucellus, diploid. Endosperm, triploid. See here, the antipodals 24 diploid, that is 24 by 2, that is haploid number. 12. Okay, nucellus same number, 24. What about endosperm? 3 into n 12. Okay, total 36. The total chromosome in antipodals, total number of chromosomes in antipodals, 12, pollen grains 12, nucellus 24, endosperm 36. Okay, next one. The total number of meiotic divisions required for the forming 100 grains of wheat is, total the formation of 100 grains. The 100 grains of wheat, total how many here the meiotic divisions are required? See here, the formation of seeds, grains here, the seeds are fruit, compulsory here. The pollination and as well as the fertilization is takes place in flowering plants. Okay, total here the formation of 100 grains. How many egg cells are required? How many pollen grains are required? It is very important. Here the fusion of male and female gametes. As a result of the fusion of male and female gametes, that is gives rise to a diploid zygote. The diploid zygote is further developed into the zygote. Zygote is further developed into the embryo. Each grains contain the embryo. That's why here the total the formation of 100 grains, how many egg cells are required? 100 egg cells are required. 100 egg cells. Okay, each egg cell is present in one embryo sac. The structure of embryo sac is contained only one egg cell. On either side synergid cells, central position polar nuclei, central cell, and towards the chalazal end 3 cells of the antipodals. That's why here 100 egg cells are required for the formation of 100 grains. Even 100 embryo sac is also required. 100 embryo sacs. Even 100 embryo sacs is developed from the one functional megaspore. That's why the functional megaspores, how many functional megaspores is required? 100 functional megaspores. It is very important. Megasporogenesis, the process of the formation of megaspores from megaspore mother cell. See here the megaspore mother cell, 1 MMC, 1 megaspore mother cell. It undergoes the meiotic cell division, that is meiosis cell division. As a result of meiosis cell division, total how many megaspores form? Total 4. In total 4, out of 4, 3 degenerated and 1 is functional. 1 is functional. Okay, in out of 3, 1 is functional. This functional megaspore is developed into the embryo sac. Okay, total here the number of functional megaspores, are equivalent to the number of megaspore mother cell. The number of megaspore mother cells is equivalent to the number of meiotic cell divisions. See here, how many functional megaspores are required? 100. For the development of here 100 functional megaspores, how many meiosis cell divisions are required? 100. 1 functional megaspore, 1 meiosis. What about 100 functional megaspores? 100. That's why here 100 meiosis cell divisions are required for the formation of 100 functional megaspore. Each 1 functional megaspore is developed 1 embryo sac. Each embryo sac is contained 1 egg cell. 100 egg cells. The formation of 100 egg cells, how many functional megaspores are required? 100. The formation of 100 functional megaspores, how many meiosis cell divisions are required? 100. That is 100 meiosis. Okay, egg cell ready here. What about male gametes? The male gametes is carrying by the pollen tube. So that's why here, how many pollen grains required? 100 pollen grains. 100 pollen grains are required. In 100 pollen grains, for the formation of 100 pollen grains, how many meiosis cell divisions are required? See here, this is one PMC, pollen mother cell. It undergoes meiotic cell division and form the total pollen tetrad, macrospore tetrad, 4 macrospores, and later this macrospores is represented the pollen grains. For the formation of 4 pollen grains, how many meiosis cell division is required? Only 1. For the formation of 100 pollen grains, how many meiosis cell division is required? That is 25. Okay, the 25 meiosis cell divisions are required for the formation of 100 pollen grains. That's why here 25 meiosis cell divisions. And each pollen grains, they contain 2 male gametes. One of the male gamete is fusion with egg cell, that is known as the syngamy. Another male gamete is fusion with polar nuclei, that is known as triple fusion. As a result of triple fusion, the triploid endosperm is developed. So finally here the development of 100 grains, how many egg cells are required? 100. For the formation of 100 egg cells, how many meiosis cell divisions are required? 100 meiosis. For the formation of 100 pollen grains, how many meiosis cell divisions are required? Total 25. That's why here 100 plus 25, that is total 125. Total how many meiosis cell division is required? The total number of meiotic divisions is required for forming 100 grains of wheat is Answer 125. Answer 125. See next one. Seventh one. How many meiotic divisions are required for the formation of 100 functional megaspores? Answer here only there. 100 functional megaspores. The number of functional megaspores is equivalent to the number of megaspore mother cell or equivalent to the number of meiosis cell division. That's why here 100 functional megaspores is equivalent to the number of meiosis cell division, 100 meiosis. That's why for the formation of one functional megaspore is required one meiosis cell division. Answer is 100. That is. Next one. If an endosperm cell of an angiosperm contains 24 chromosomes, the number of chromosomes in each cell of the root cell will be based on ploidy. See here correct answer. If an endosperm cell of an angiosperm contains 24 chromosomes, endosperm. What is the ploidy of endosperm? Triploid. 3n is total how many chromosomes? 24. 24. The number of chromosomes in each cell of their root will be root cell. The root cell is the part of this sporophyte. The sporophyte is ploidy is 2n. 2n. Now tell what is the correct answer. 3n is 24. What about n? n is 8. 2 into 8. Total 16. This is the answer. Next one. Ninth one. In mice, the myocytes has 20 chromosomes. What is meaning of here myocytes? The myocytes means that is where the meiosis cell division takes place. Such type of the cell or tissue is known as the which one? Myocyte. The cells undergoes the meiotic cell division. You take best example, spore mother cell, pollen mother cell, megaspore mother cell. These are all myocytes. Where the meiotic cell division takes place, such type of the cells is known as the myocytes, diploid. That's why here the myocytes 2n, ploidy is 2n. 2n has how many chromosomes? 20 chromosomes. That is 20 chromosomes. That is 20 chromosomes. What will be then the number of chromosomes in its somatic cells? Somatic cells. What are the somatic cells? Vegetative cells. What are the main vegetative parts of the angiospermic plant? Root, stem, leaf. These are the vegetative part of the plant body. Here the vegetative parts is which ploidy? Diploidy. Root, stem, leaf. These are the parts of the sporophyte. That's why that is a 2n. The total number of chromosome 20. Same. The same chromosome numbers is present in somatic cells also. That's why answer 20. Next one. If a leaf cell of agave. What is agave? Agave americana. It is the best example for the vegetative propagule of the bulbil. Okay, the plants, the vegetative propagation takes place by the bulbil. Agave americana has X chromosomes. X chromosomes. Then what will be the number of chromosome in its egg cell? Agave is that is X chromosomes. Here the chromosome number is not mentioned. Directly here X chromosome given. What is the number of chromosome number in its egg cell? Egg cell. Egg cell is N. N means haploid. Again is diploid. 2N. Egg cell is haploid. That's why what is the correct answer? X by 2. X by 2. Half of the number. Because it is haploid. It is a diploid. For example, here the agave is contained the 10 chromosome. What is the haploid? 5. That's why here the correct answer for the egg cell, that is X by 2. Next one, the number of reduction divisions is needed to form 100 seeds. Same model here above. For the formation of 100 seeds, how many egg cells is required? 100. 100 egg cells is required. For the formation of 100 egg cells, how many meiotic cell divisions are required? 100. What about pollen grains? 100 pollen grains is required. So that's why here, for the formation of 100 pollen grains, how many meiotic cell divisions is required? 25. Total 125 meiotic cell divisions are needed for the formation of 100 seeds, 100 egg cell. That is female gamete. Pollen grains is carrying male gamete. That's why finally what happened? The male and female gametes both are fused. As a result of the fusion of male and female gametes is known as the syngamy. As a result of syngamy, a diploid zygote is developed. So, for the formation of here 100 seeds, how many meiotic cell divisions are required? 125. Okay, next one. The number of free nuclear mitotic divisions that occurs in the single functional megaspore to form 8 nucleated embryo sac is. In angiosperm, the embryo sac is 7 cells and 8 nucleated structures. How many the free nuclear mitotic divisions that occurs in the single functional megaspores to form 8 nucleated embryo sac? Here one simple formula is there how to calculate the number of mitotic divisions in plant cells. Not only plant cells, you take any cell, how to calculate the number of mitotic divisions. Okay, the total number of cells or nuclei minus 1. That is equal to the total number of mitotic divisions. See here, total how many nucleated? 8 nucleated in embryo sac. 8 minus 1, that is 7. The total, the 7 mitotic divisions occurs in the single functional megaspore. See here, for example, see here, this is the functional megaspore. First one, single nucleus, total 2 nuclei. This is first mitotic division. Next one, see here. Each nuclei is divided into 2 nuclei. Each mitotic cell division, 1 nuclei is divided into 2 nuclei. This is first nuclear division, second, third. See here, again each nuclei is divided. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many nucleus? 8 nucleus. 4, 5th, 6th, 7th. See here. Total how many mitotic cell division is occurs in the functional megaspore? That is total 7. how many nucleus? 8 nucleus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is here simple formula for how to calculate the number of mitotic divisions? The free mitotic divisions in functional megaspores. The total number of nucleus minus 1. The total number of nucleus here 8. 8 minus 1, that is answer 7. That is answer 7. So here the number of free nuclear mitotic divisions that occurs in a single functional megaspores to form 8 nucleated embryo sac is total 7. Okay, here the majority of the students are confused because in NCERT textbook the total 3 successively mitotic divisions is given. 3 successively mitotic. But total number of mitotic divisions is 7. See, the free nucleus. The free nuclear mitotic divisions takes place in here. The immediately is not followed by the cell wall. In free nuclear cell division, mitotic cell division, here total how many nucleus is formed? Total 8. The number of nucleus or cells minus 1, that is equal to the total number of mitotic divisions. Next one, the number of meiotic and mitotic divisions are required respectively to form 24 antipodals in polygonum type of embryo sac. Polygonum means 7-celled and 8 nucleate type of embryo sac. See here, total how many meiotic and mitotic divisions are required respectively to form 24 antipodals? In each embryo sac, total how many antipodals are there? 3 antipodals. Okay, each embryo sac contains total 3 antipodals. That's why here the 24 antipodals divided by 3, that is total 8. That's why here total the number of meiotic divisions is equivalent to the number of embryo sacs. Functional megaspores undergoes the repeated mitotic cell divisions and form finally the 7 cells and 8 nucleated structure of the embryo sac, that is known as the polygonum. Okay, that's why here total 8 embryo sacs are contain how many antipodals? 24 antipodals. 24 antipodals. What about here? See, the 8 embryo sacs. Total number of the meiotic cell divisions 8. Clear? Next one. See, 24 antipodals divided by 3 into 7. Mitotic divisions. In each embryo sac, how many mitotic divisions takes place? Total 7. Total here, how many embryo sacs are there? Here the total 8 embryo sacs are there. In each embryo sacs, how many mitotic cell divisions are takes place? That is 7. That's why here 56. So that's why here the meiotic cell divisions total 8 and mitotic divisions total 56 takes place in 24 antipodals in the polygonum type of the embryo sac. Next 14th question. The ratio of number of chromosomes present in the 7 cells 8 nucleated embryo sac of onion, rice and potato is. The ratio of number of chromosomes are present in 7 cells and 8 nucleated embryo sacs. Each embryo sacs is contain total how many nucleus? 8 nucleus. Each nucleus is a haploid. Okay. See here the correct answer. In onion plant, the diploid chromosome number is 16. and rice plant 24 and potato 48 diploid chromosome number. Now tell in onion the total number of nucleus, haploid nucleus 8. The total chromosome number in haploid number 8. Next one, rice. See here, 8. Total number of nucleus, haploid nucleus 8. What is the haploid chromosome number in rice? 24 is diploid, 12 is haploid. What about potato? 48 diploid number, 8 nucleus, 8 nucleated embryo sac, and haploid number, that is total 24. See here. In onion, 8 into 8 total 64. In rice plant 96, but here 192. What is the ratio here? 2:3:6. This is the ratio of the number of chromosomes are present in 7 cells, 8 nucleated embryo sac of onion, rice and potato. Next one, the number of chromosomes are present in the male gamete and secondary nucleus and an egg cell of an apple flower embryo sac respectively will be. The number of chromosomes are present in male gamete. Male gamete is haploid. The secondary nucleus is diploid and an egg cell. Egg of an apple. Egg cell is also haploid. So the flower of embryo sac is respectively will be. In an apple, the total number of chromosome, that is 34 diploid. Now tell. The male gamete haploid N. Okay. The secondary nucleus (2n). The secondary nucleus 2n and egg cell N. Okay. Now here haploid number, diploid number 34, haploid number 17, 34, 17. The chromosome numbers present in male gamete 17, the secondary nucleus 34 and egg cell is 17. Okay, so these are the numerical based type of questions from sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So please work out these numerical based questions from the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay students, bye, thank you.